Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Hnin. If you guys are new, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so that you can be notified every time I upload. Since Valentine's Day is around the corners, I'm thinking about looks to upload for you guys so that you guys have an idea of what you want to do. For this very first Valentine's look, I'm keeping it simple and dolly, a little bit less dramatic, but still there's a little bit of bling going on my eyes. Before we get into the tutorial, please know that all the products that I use will be listed down in the description box below, along with my social media, so go check them out and let's get into this tutorial. So I put this color all over my crease line. This shimmer shade is going along my crease line. This gold shimmer shade is going all over my lids, and I'm dragging it on my outer V corner all the way to my bottom lower lash line. And I'm placing this darker brown shade on my outer V corner, just slightly, and a little bit to my lower lash line too. With a brown liner from Maybelline, I'm just tightlining my upper lash line and I'm dragging it a little bit outward. Afterwards, the liner, I'm smudging the liner out with a small Morphe M323 brush. Now I'm going back in with the brown shade again just to smudge it out further and make it softer. I'm going to put out my foundation and come back and I'll finish up the eyelid afterwards. So I finished my full makeup off camera and I'll be going back in to finish up the eye look. I'm bringing this gold shimmer shade all the way to my inner corner. I'm taking the NYX Dramatic Sparkle Liquid Crystal Liner and I'm placing it on my ring finger and then applying it in the center of my lid. I'm also going to use it to line my lower lash line, but only in the center. That is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys do, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you have any suggestions or if you just simply love the look. For more videos, please stay tuned for next week and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!